Manual Walking Treadmill per SFD1407M*, the Sunny Health and Fitness SFD1407M Manual Walking Treadmill is built for anyone who wants an easy, no-fuss way to stay active at home. Unlike motorized treadmills that rely on electricity and complex control panels, this manual treadmill runs entirely on your own walking motion. There's no cord to plug in, no outlet to hunt for, and no power bill to worrying about. Just step on and start moving at your own pace. This self-propelled design makes the SFD1407M especially appealing for small apartments, home offices, or anyone easing into a walking routine. Because the belt only moves when you do, you stay in full control of your speed throughout every session. Whether you're taking a slow, easy stroll or picking up the pace for a brisker workout. Built-in incline for a natural challenge. One of the standout features of the SFD1407M is its fixed incline, set at roughly 13.5%. This slight upward angle does double duty. It helps keep the belt moving smoothly as you walk, and it adds a bit of extra resistance to your stride, engaging your legs and core more than a flat surface would. It's a simple way to get more out of every walking session without needing to adjust settings or dials. Compact, foldable, and easy to store. Space efficiency is central to this treadmill's design. Fully assembled, it measures about 49 inches long, 23 inches wide, and 50 inches tall, with a 42-inch by 13-inch non-slip walking belt that comfortably accommodates a natural stride. When your workout is done, the frame folds down to a slim 20 inches in length, making it easy to tuck into a closet, corner, or under a bed. Built-in transport wheels mean roll it from room to room without straining your back, so it's just as easy to bring out for a quick session as it is to put away afterward. Track your progress as you go. Despite its simple, no electricity design, the SFD1407M includes a digital LCD monitor that keeps you informed during your workout. The display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, giving you real-time feedback so you can monitor your progress and stay motivated session after session. A single mode button lets you cycle through the display functions with ease, keeping the interface intuitive even for first-time treadmill users. Comfort and stability rely on soft foam hand grips line the sides of the treadmill, offering steady support for balance as you walk. A helpful feature for beginners, older adults, or anyone who simply wants extra reassurance during their workout. The non-slip running surface and sturdy frame are rated to support users up to 220 pounds, and the side railings make stepping on and off simple and secure. Backed by a trusted fitness brand. Sunny Health and Fitness has spent more than 2 decades building affordable, reliable home fitness equipment, and the SFD1407M reflects that experience. It's backed by a 3-year structural frame warranty along with 180 days of coverage on other parts and components, and the brand offers US-based customer support for assembly help or general questions. Who it's for. The SFD1407M is best suited for beginners, casual walkers, and anyone looking for a low-cost, low-maintenance way to build a consistent walking habit. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments, home offices, or shared living spaces where a bulky motorized treadmill simply isn't practical. The bottom line. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFD1407M offers a refreshingly simple approach to home cardio. No electricity, no complicated setup, and no ongoing costs. Just a compact, foldable treadmill that's ready whenever you are. JTX Move Light. The JTX Move Light is a compact, low-profile walking treadmill designed to make hitting your daily step count feel completely effortless, even on the busiest workday. Built with remote working and home fitness in mind, it slides neatly under a standing desk or sofa, letting you walk through emails, calls, and meetings without breaking your workflow. For anyone looking to work movement into a sedentary routine without carving out dedicated gym time, the Move Light offers a simple, No fuss solution. Compact by design. Space efficiency at the heart of the Move Light's appeal. Measuring roughly 143.2 centimeters long, 54.7 centimeters wide, and just 12.9 centimeters high, it has one of the lowest profiles in its category, allowing it to slide easily under most standing desks, beds, or sofas when not in use. Despite its slim footprint, the running area remains generously sized at around 122 centimeters by 45 centimeters, giving users plenty of room for a natural walking stride. Built-in transport wheels make repositioning simple. Tilt the machine upright, roll it to where you need it, and you're ready to go. There's no assembly required either. The Move Light arrives pre-built, so setup is as simple as unboxing it and plugging it in. A detail reviewers consistently point to as one of its strongest selling points for anyone who wants to start walking right away, rather than spend an afternoon with an instruction manual. Quiet, motorized power. Unlike manual treadmills that rely entirely on your own stride, the Move Light is motorized, powered by a quiet 1 HP DC motor that adjusts in small 0.5 km/h increments. This gives you fine control over your pace, whether you're aiming for a gentle stroll during a video call or picking things up for a brisker walking workout. Top speed sits at around 6 km/h or roughly 4.3 mph, offering some headroom above typical desk walking pace for dedicated standalone sessions. The motor's low noise output is a particular strength, making it suitable for use during calls or in shared home office spaces without becoming a distraction. Straightforward tracking. No frills. A large LED display sits at the front of the machine, keeping essential workout metrics within easy view: time, distance, speed, and step count. Because the display is mounted low on the deck rather than on a separate console pole, it doesn't interfere with the treadmill's under-desk profile. Speed and settings are controlled via an included remote, so you can make adjustments without breaking stride or reaching down. It's worth noting the Move Light doesn't offer app connectivity. This is a deliberately simple machine focused on the core walking experience rather than connected training features. Lightweight and easy to live with. At around 29.5 to 30 kilograms, the Move Light is light enough for one person to maneuver comfortably, aided by its integrated transport wheels. This lightweight build does come with a trade-off: a maximum user weight of 100 kilograms, around 220 pounds, which is worth keeping in mind for taller or heavier users considering this model. Backed by JTX Fitness. JTX Fitness backs the Move Light with a 2-year in-home warranty covering parts and labor, reflecting confidence in the build quality of a machine designed for regular daily use. Reviewers have consistently praised its sturdy feel underfoot despite its lightweight construction, noting that it holds up well to everyday walking pace use over extended periods. It's for the JTX Move Light is best suited to remote and hybrid workers looking to add low-impact movement to their day without disrupting their desk setup, as well as treadmill newcomers who want an easy, no-assembly entry point into walking-based fitness. Its low weight limit and lack of handlebars make it less suited to more vigorous training or heavier users. But for its intended purpose, quiet, simple, steady walking alongside a normal workday, it delivers exactly what it promises.